Welcome to Heterogeneity Rocks, where variety is king. As the name heterogeneity implies, or the definition of, is variety. This is a very young channel. I can't say you'll find everything on here because it is a young channel. It's growing in content. As it happens, we try and film it. Never was a goal to have a professional channel where I'm a professional mechanic and I work on cars every day and that's what I film. It's not the small engine guy that works on small engines every day and that's what I film. It's not the farmer farming or gardening or a prepper or half grid. It's not somebody in the woods cutting wood. There's channels where all they do is just cut wood. You can get car repairs, you can get car maintenance, you can get small engine repairs, you can get small engine maintenance, you can get gardening, bird watching, whale watching, vacations. You can get almost anything. It's not a vlogging channel, but it is a channel that hopefully there's a little something for the average Jane, average Joe out there. So please stick around, look at some videos, subscribe if you think that you'd be interested. Help me grow the channel. This year I am going to focus on editing and camera work. So that's my goal. We'll see how that works out.